was that? Oh, wow. No, wow. Hi, Max. Isn't that where the water was stopped? Nah. Yum, yum. Yeah?
Daddy, you know this one by the TV.
Oh my goodness gracious.
Oh, cool chocolate.
Nice. Is his foot asleep?
Yeah, that's right. Let's see. Huh.
Yes! This was in the dining room. This was in the dining room.
Oh my goodness!
A new toy.
Oh.
A new
Car.
But where is forwards?
This one. That's forward, honey.
Is this forwards?
Yeah. This right here. That's forward.
Yeah, but this is backwards.
Exactly.
I will put this truck away.
You want to put it right here on the table if you want?
Right here.
Okay.
Let's find more eggs.
Okay.
Hey, honey, come here.
Well, you know, this was under the couch.
I know. Do you know what's in here? Look. There is orange. Look. And look. Stickers.
Stickers, dude. It's a comic book. And look at Daddy. It's a sticker.
Oh my goodness, there's so many stickers in there.
And like there's certain places where you can put the stickers, where all the stickers go. And then it shows you how to draw them. Then there's Hulk.
Hook. You're baddest. They even have games.
And that's a maze, yeah.
Yeah. You trying to go for a maze?
Is that cool or what?
Yeah. Cuckoo. What? They're really good. Hiding good.
Hey, honey, look up. Straight up.
We found some more trees. Look at up there on the window. Look at there. We found 3 trees.
Look here.
A real chocolate. I'm gonna eat it right now. Here, you can look at it.
Here.
Ooh. Hey, this is like my other chocolate.
I know. And that's a chocolate bunny. You'll love those.
Hey, come here for a second. Hey, honey, come here. I want to show you something. Look up.
Ah! Hey! Look it on the fan! Look it on the fan!
That Easter bunny. I'm telling you.
It's because he can hop so well.
He's a hopper.
He's a hopperoo. 2 eggs.
Put them together. You got it. You want to try one of these?
No.
Okay. They'll be yummy, honey.
I'm finding a new Easter. We gotta find some more treats. Okay, Mommy?
Okay, I'm with you.
I know he did a lot. Hey. Look at
Yeah.
there's a tree! We found one! Let's see what's in it. We found some trees! We found some trees!
Yay!
Open it.
Yeah, that one's a little bit tough to open, I think.
And I'm gonna find some more Easter eggs. Okay, Mommy?
Okay.
Who took a chip down? We found another tree on the window.
There's none in the kitchen, honey. He told. Easter Bunny said it's just in this room, the living room, and a little bit by the front door.
Oh, I know. And just going through the
Oh, okay.
kitchen.
Nice.
Those are solid milk chocolate bunnies.
Hey, you know what, honey? I think the... Oh, my goodness.
We see another tree. Hey! I got it. Oh, a new other toy.
Do you want me to open it for you?
Look at another toy. Another toy.
Yay!
Ready?
Another toy.
That's so awesome! Okay, ready? I know you don't like those. Sorry, Easter Bunny. Here.
Do you want...
You did it.
Yay! This is the part.
Yep.
How about this? This could be his friend.
Okay. Hey, Han. Hey, Han.
What?
Turn around and look under your desk there.
Yeah, I think he.
Oh, did you find the one on your fire truck?
Yeah, he did.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
You have one